Hi everyone, we are back for Word Fluency 3. This will be your only word fluency this week. There is no passage fluency, so you will just comment your scores. I'm going to go ahead and read through the top line of the words, and then you can pause, time yourself for a minute twice, or have a parent or sibling or anyone time you. Okay? I will start right now. Disappoint, exploit, annoy, enjoy, mouse, anyhow, mouth, shower, however, and tower. So you'll notice that the vowel combinations over here, they both have the sound oi, 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 and then ow, 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 so on and so forth. So those are the only two vowel combination sounds that you will say. So make sure you're either saying oi or ow. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to comment that with your score. You guys are doing a great job with this. I am so proud of how hard everyone is working. Keep up the good work. And I will give you feedback once you post in the discussion. All right, that's all for now.